Okay everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a basic concept iconic commercial building in SketchUp. Please remember that this tutorial is only about modeling iconic commercial buildings in terms of basic mass, composition, and facade concept. Regarding technical details and structural, architectural, electrical, mechanical, and plumbing rules, it is necessary to consult with the relevant engineers who are experienced in their fields. Okay, first of all, we have to make a rectangle with a rotated rectangle. Okay, we can set the dimension about the commercial building is around 8,000 millimeter and 8,000 millimeter. Okay, it's just for example. Anyway. Then we can push it up with a push tool around 300 millimeter. And then we can select this all and make group. Okay, and after that we can make the another rectangle by this slab. Anyway, we have to push it up again. We have to push it up around 800 millimeter and make group. Okay, and then we can move it up around for the first floor we can move it up around 3,500 millimeter. Okay, the thickness of this slab is just conceptual, not detail mass. Anyway, for the detail you can discuss and consult with the engineer of the structural engineer or the another engineer. Okay, it's just for a conceptual mass anyway. Okay, and then we can move it up and duplicate it to make the another upper floor. Anyway, we can move from this. We can set the floor to floor level around maybe the floor to floor level we can set 3,500 also. Anyway, I'm sorry, we can set the floor to floor. Okay, 3,500 also. Okay, and then we can move again. We can move it again and duplicate. I'm sorry, we have to make a unique. We have to make component first. Sorry, just create it, and then we have to move and select control, duplicate it, and we can move it around 3,500 millimeter, and we can duplicate it again. Okay, and maybe it's just for 3 floor only, and then we can make the facade of this building. Anyway, we can make a frame right here with this rotated rectangle. Anyway, we can make a frame with this rotated rectangle until this point. Then we can drag to the another position around 100, for example. Okay, then we can push it to the front around. We can push it to the front around 200 millimeter, and then we can make it group. Okay, after that we can make component. Just create it. Okay, anyway, we can push it up until just only on this floor. Anyway, and we can push it up again around 1,500 millimeter, or we can push it up again 500 more for safety on the top floor. Anyway, okay, and after that we can select this frame, then we can select move and press Ctrl and duplicate it and place on this corner position endpoint of in component, and we can type 8 slash, okay, and enter. Okay, and then we can copy it to the another side anyway. We can copy it to the another side. Okay, we can use this and move and select control. Okay, and place on this position, and then we can rotate it by blue axis. Okay, it's done. Then we can duplicate it. We can make it group first, and we can make it group first. Okay, and then we can duplicate it to the flip side of this building. We can move and select control, duplicate it, okay, and flip it along with the green axis. Then we have to move to the endpoint of position, and also we can select this frame and duplicate it to the another flip position. Then we can flip it along with the red axis anyway. Then we can move it to the slab anyway. Okay, it's down, and then don't forget to make a parapet wall anyway. We can make it unique first, and then we have to offset it inside around 200 millimeter, for example, and then we have to push it up until the top frame right over there. It's just for safety. Okay, and then we can make maybe it's just for basic mesh. It's just for basic mesh of building core anyway. Be something like this. We can make group, then we can okay, we can triple click, and we can push it until down anyway. Okay, it's just for example for basic shape. Okay, and after that we can make the glass of this building anyway. We can make the glass. We can make the glass in this area anyway, with a rectangle from the corner to this corner anyway. Okay, and this is a basic plane of the glass anyway, or maybe we can adjust it to be modular glazing anyway. We can adjust it to be modular glazing. Then we can set the frame first anyway. We can set the frame for the first. Okay, we can set the frame here with a rectangle anyway. We can set the any size of the frame. Okay, and then we can push it. Okay, we can make a perimeter of the frame anyway. Okay, we can make a perimeter. Okay, and then triple click and make group, and then we can triple click again. Just activate your height rest model, and just select. We can triple click again and just unselect it, and then we can follow me with this. So it about the frame, horizontal frame anyway. Then we can adjust the color with another color anyway. We can adjust with the color to make it different. We can use this color anyway. Then we can use the color of the frame to make us easier for making it. Okay, and then we can move and select control on make component first, create, then select move and select control, and then place on here. Okay, and after that we can move it again and select control. We can move it again and select control. Okay, and then we can duplicate it again, and we can duplicate again here. It's just for example for the facade frame configuration. You can study more detail from this dividing anyway, and after that we can know the dimension about the floor. Okay. We have to make it to be in the middle of between the floor and the ceiling anyway. We can make a guideline anyway. We can make a guideline. Okay, we can use red axis anyway. We can use red axis and triple click, and we can duplicate it. Okay, then select move, select midpoint, and select control, and then we can duplicate it. Okay. Okay, or if you didn't like about the disturbing frame on the middle, if you like the disturbing frame on the middle, you can make the another configuration about the facade glazing frame anyway. Okay, we will repeat with the another method, with the another configuration about the frame. We can erase it first, and then we can move it down. We can move it down anyway. We can move it down and duplicate it. Sorry, we can move it down, duplicate it around 800 millimeter, for example, and we can move and duplicate it again. We can move okay, 800 millimeter, or maybe more. We can set the 1000 millimeter from this, from that. Then we can measure. Okay. I think it's better when we adjust this. When we adjust the frame configuration about the 1000 millimeter from the floor, and as like this. It's better than before anyway, because the interior visual, it will look more comfort to see the outside of the building anyway with this frame configuration anyway. If all of you have any idea about the frame configuration, both of them with the vertical or horizontal configuration, you can type in the comment below. Okay, and after that we can adjust the glazing anyway. We can adjust the glazing material with the configuration anyway. We can set the module of the glazing anyway. We can set the module of glazing material, or that's for upcoming step anyway, because I have a plan to make another unique facade. Okay, we have to make it more larger than the ground floor anyway, so we can make a movement, or we can make offset it outside. We can offset around. We can offset it around 1500 millimeter. Okay, and this is 1500 millimeter, and this is 1500 millimeter, and also this 500 millimeter also. for another facade anyway. Is it 500 millimeter, and here 1500 millimeter. Okay, and here also 100 and 500 millimeter, 100 500 millimeter. Okay, then we can offset the another floor for the second and third floor anyway. Then we can set it 1500 millimeter, and also we can make a push. Then we can delete some unnecessary line as usual on the bottom extension line also. Then we have to offset all of the frame to the outside around 100 and 500 1500 millimeter. It's also 1500 millimeter. It's also 1500 millimeter, and it also 1500 millimeter. Okay, then we can move the another facade over there, 1500 millimeter also, 1500 millimeter, and this one 1500, this one 1500. Okay, and then we can continue to make the another frame on the left and right side anyway. Then we can select one of frame and we can move and select control like this. And also in this frame we can duplicate it, and also another frame we can duplicate it, and also we can duplicate it, also, and continue to the another side anyway. Can continue to the another side, and this side for the last. Okay, and after that we can make corner frame first, and then we have to adjust this face. We can adjust this face, and then we can make the corner glazing first with the line anyway. Then place on the midpoint of the frame, and then midpoint of the frame, and then we can double click, and we have to offset it outside around maybe it's around 20 millimeter. Okay, 20 millimeter. Then we can complete the incomplete basic pattern of the glass anyway. Then we can make group, then make component, create. Then we can move to the another corner over there. Okay, we can move and duplicate to the another corner. Then we can rotate it with rotate tool. Okay, and select the both of the corner basic shape, and then we can move and duplicate it to the right side on the display, and then we can right click and flip it along with the red axis. Then we have to move and place on the corner frame anyway. Then we can push it down with the same time to the another corner over there. Okay, it's great. Okay, then we can adjust the another material of the glass to make us easier for modifying it. Okay, maybe we can use this temporary glazing material anyway. Then we can continue it to make the another glass module anyway. We can use the rectangle and place on the middle point of the vertical frame anyway. Then we can set the we can set the model of the glass, and then we can make the guideline on the horizontal frame right here. to make sure that we can adjust the basic glass to the middle point of the horizontal frame anyway. Then we can erase it. Okay, and then we can copy this one glass panel to the another panel, that relevant of this dimension. Okay, we can use push, and we can push it to front and then triple click and make group. Then we can adjust the material also. Then we can make component, just create it. Okay, after that we can move, press Ctrl on our keyboard and place on this endpoint and type for 7 x7 and enter, so it will be automatically arranged. Then we can complete the incomplete space over there. Okay, then and after that we can make the another glazing panel. We can make the another glazing panel with make group first, and then we can move, and we can move to the red axis over the flip side of this building, and then we can right click and flip it along with the red axis. Then we have to move to the panel frame anyway. Okay, and then we can duplicate to the another side. Okay, we can duplicate to the another side. Then we can rotate. We can rotate it by following the blue axis anyway. We can rotate it around 90 degree, and then we can move. Okay, and then we can place on the position. Okay, and after that we can move and duplicate it to the another wall panel anyway. We can move and select Control on the green area, on the green axis, and then we can flip it along with the green axis. Then we can move to this position. Okay, I'm sorry, it's getting failure of the movement. Okay, and after that we can make another model of the glass panel anyway. We can move and select Control. We can place on here. Okay, it need adjustment about the midpoint of this component. Then we can triple click, then we can select all this group and make unique anyway. Okay, and then we can make a guideline, just a little guideline right here. Okay, just a little guideline to make sure that the bottom of the glass panel are on the middle point of this line anyway. It automatically on the middle point of the horizontal frame of this glazing frame. Okay, so we can push it, then we can erase it, and after that we can duplicate it to the another glazing panel over there. We can make a guiding line as usual. Then we can select move, press Control and place on this midpoint of the horizontal line. Okay, then we can select this glazing panel, and then we can select move and duplicate it to the green axis. Then we can right click and flip it along with the green axis, and then we can move and place on this position. Okay, and then we can rotate it. Okay, we can rotate it with this diagonal line anyway, because it's a square, so we can rotate it automatically. We can select this glass panel, and we can use a rotate and rotate it by green axis and rotate, press Control to duplicate it, type 90 degree, so it will be automatically for the another side automatic. Okay, and then we can do the same way for the upper position. Then we can rotate it again. Okay, press Control and type 90 and enter. Okay. Okay, then we can make we have to make this glass panel. Then we can use a rectangle, start from here and to be here. Then we should push it to the front, and then we can make group and adjust the material and make component, create it. Okay, and then we can move and duplicate it. Okay, and we can type X9 enter, so it will be automatically arranged. Okay, we can select for the another little glass over there. Okay, and make group. Okay, it just make group, and we can check it again. Okay, it's enough. Okay, and then we can move to the flip side or another side of the red axis and press Ctrl to duplicate it, and then we can flip it along with the red axis, and then we can move and place on the correct position, and then we can use rotate and duplicate over there and press Ctrl and type 90 enter. So then we can also duplicate it again to the bottom position of the frame, and then we can select. I'm sorry, we have to delete it first. Anyway, we can erase it first. Maybe it's unusable frame anyway. I mean, okay, we have to move and select Control to duplicate it and place on this position. Okay, it's enough. Then we can make the another color of the glass if you feel it more adjustment anyway. Maybe we can use this color or maybe white, semi-white color, or it's depend on you anyway. And then we can make a simple glazing over this area anyway. Maybe we can make just simple wall over there. You can make a simple wall with a triple line and with this triple line. Okay, I show you. Okay, and then we can offset it inside around 150 millimeter, and then we can complete it. And then we can push it up until this ceiling, and then we can make it group. So then we can make another glazing with it's just simple glazing anyway, because it's to takes time. Maybe we can place on there, and then we can offset it inside around maybe 20 millimeter, and we can just set the complete basic shape of the glass anyway. But then we have to push it up around until touch the slab anyway. Then we can select the another glass. We can set the GF glazing. Okay, and then we can adjust it. Okay, and we can make the landscape. Okay, we can make the landscape to make it more appropriate building anyway. Okay, we can use the scale, and then we have to push it down and make group. Okay, and after that we can make the unique facade anyway. You can make the unique facade with the rotate rectangle anyway. You can use a rectangle and place on the corner to corner anyway. The corner to corner over there. Okay, and then we can push. Sorry, we have to offset it outside. Maybe we can set the facade thickness around 150 millimeter. Okay, then we can erase some unnecessary line anyway. Then we can select all and push it down with. Okay, we can push it down until this position anyway. Okay. Or maybe you need more drop than before. Okay, it's depend on you then. So we can just make the unique facade here, and then we can triple click and make group. Okay, and after that we can set the pattern of the unique of the iconic facade of the iconic exterior cladding. Here we can use line, and we can draw it as we want anyway. Okay, it's just for example. You may explore it for more decorative or more aesthetic. I'm sorry, it's getting complicated. Okay, maybe we can play the triangle or trapezoid shape over there. Maybe something like this. Okay. Okay, we can use the another. Okay, I'm sorry, it's getting trouble. So make sure the diagonal, the pattern are on this face anyway. Or okay, we can make it manually to make a better pattern anyway. Okay, we can use line and we can draw it. Okay, we can draw it again. Okay, we can draw it. Okay, and then we can continue it to drawing. Okay, maybe we can push it to the back for all the pattern. Just double click it when you have click for the one pattern. Okay, it's done. And then to make it more faster, then you make it manually for another side. I suggest you to copy this plane. Okay, you have to copy this plane by select this plane and select a move, duplicate to the front. Okay, by green axis, little bit so far, and then we can rotate. I'm sorry, we can select a move, control, place on here, then we can rotate it by blue axis. Okay, and then we can place from this corner to this corner. Okay, and we can also move and place in this plane anyway, and we can place it again to this plane. Okay, and after that we can select all, right click, intersect, and with the selection. So we'll try to I'm sorry, it's getting complicated. Okay, okay, and then we can duplicate this facade to the another side anyway. We have to enter the group, and then we can delete it only. We can just delete this by using a push. Okay, okay, and then we can make it component and just create it. Okay, and after that we can move and select control. Then we can rotate it until 90 degree. Then we can move it. Okay, then we can move to the another position. Then we can flip it along with the right axis. Then we have to move and place on this position, and then we can select move, duplicate in this position, and then we can flip it along with green axis. Then we can move and place on this position anyway. Okay, I'm sorry, we have to move it just a little bit on the left side. We have to move it in this side anyway. Okay, then we can make this line to be a better connection anyway. Okay, we can select the another plane and select this line only. Then we can move and place it to the better position. Okay, so it will be smooth connection of it. And nah, if you found this fault, you can flip it along with the relevant axis. We can flip it along with the green. Okay, it's done anyway. Okay, and after that you can make the another color. Maybe you can set this bedboard. Okay, you can assign the material so it will look interesting. Then you can adjust the color. You can set the color as you want anyway. Maybe something like this. Okay, maybe it's like this. Okay, you can set the another color anyway. Maybe you can set the chocolate, the cream or chocolate color to make it more smooth anyway. Okay, maybe we can set by this color, and then we can make the other landscaping area anyway. We can set another landscaping area, or maybe we can set the road anyway in here. Okay, we can set the we can make a 2-point arc over there, and we have to push it down, so we can make the road anyway by select this line and copy and paste in place, and we have to set it outside around 6,000 maybe, for example. It's just for example. Then we can set the way, and we can move just a little bit down anyway. Then we can make a landscaping area. It's just for simple variation. Okay, it's just for example anyway. Then we can complete the line, and also we can complete it. Okay, we can make a little barrier on the corner. Then we can set the grass material. Okay, we can set the grass. Then we can set the maybe we can use this material. Okay, then we can set the asphalt material, and or maybe we can set another landscape material and surround the building anyway. We have to push it up. Then we can just with this, then make it group. Okay, and then we can make okay, we can set the another material for the ground wall anyway. And use this maybe, so it look more representative. Then we can set the floor, the entrance floor, with offset. Okay, then we can set this. Then we can set the concrete maybe. It's just for a basic example anyway. You can make it more detailed and more following the standard anyway. And then you can make another component over there. Use component, and then you can select the component sampler. You can select the tree to make it more some greenery area, and we can adjust the color of the tree with this color anyway. Then we can set the transparency for the tree. Okay, then we can make it smaller than before, so we have to move and duplicate it to the another position anyway. Okay. Maybe it's just for a small tree on this position anyway. And you can make the another component by using car maybe over there, and you can select the another car and over there. Okay, You can select the people in here, and you can set the people here. And maybe you can set the concrete color on this material to make it more represent. Okay. Let's just delete it. Sorry. We can use this only. Okay. Okay. I think it's enough. If you have an idea or for detailed information about the building exterior or many more, you can type on the commenter below and we will discuss it. Okay, because it's just for a simple concept of meshing and exterior simple building, simple exterior concept building anyway. Okay, we can make another feature such as shadow. We can set the shadow and we can set this. We can set this one anyway. Okay, it's we have to move and flip. We can rotate the building anyway. We can rotate building to the another position. Okay, sorry, we can rotate the building maybe okay for 90 degree. Okay, we can set the shadow over there, or we can make it move. We can move it. Okay, we can make the study of the shadow. Okay, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching. I hope all of you get a lot of benefit of this basic concept exterior meshing building anyway. And wait for my next video. Thank you.